Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new bit on XVG. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently the price line of XVG has broken out the resistance of a descending triangle. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we move to the live 4-hour time frame chart, and this was the descending triangle, you can see that we had bounce here, few rejections here, bounce, few more rejections, bounce, rejection, and broke out the resistance. But after the breakout, the price line is not able to break this long-term resistance on that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance on has been previously working as a very strong resistance on here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support down here. And therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance on. By the way, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that now we have few more rejections. Price line is forming lower highs. Therefore, still it is moving inside a bigger descending trend. This is the resistance of the bigger descent. That we have rejections here, rejection here, few more rejections here, rejection here. The same support can work as a support for this bigger descent triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this bigger descending triangle. I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this quite big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that since after the month of March 2024 up till the month of September, it has been moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout, we had a very, very nice pump. The price and got rejected by this resistance line. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared a few days ago on 28th of December 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 40% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared a few days ago on 28th of December 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal back move that XVG completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell target sign and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 40% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of XVG. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And now you can see that XVG has formed this descending triangle. And now after the rejection by the resistance, it is once again dropping down to the support of this triangle. By the way, this can be a complete support line from 1 cent to this support of the triangle that is approximately at $0.0092 because this 1 cent is a quite long-term support. Therefore, despite these spikes beyond the support, the price line is not breaking them out. But we have spikes up to $0.0092. Therefore, I'm considering the support of the triangle here. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then this support will be more visible. You can see that we had few touch points here, and we had another bounce here, and then the bounce here. And now the price is once again about to hit this support. And in case of breaking down the support of this triangle, the target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at $0.00409. That's slightly lower than this long-term support of $0.0045. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0045 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months, support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of XVG. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. But after the breakout, the price line is again and again getting rejected by this up trend line resistance. Therefore, in order to hit the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we will need to break out this up trend line resistance as well. Target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of this wedge. It's somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.